Hey, if I could tell you about a place where you could get thousands of dollars worth of photographic advice, equipment, tips and tricks, Photoshop related as well, for literally pennies on the dollar, chances are good you would be rushing right to that location to be the first in line to grab that super great deal. Hi, I'm Brian Peterson, and I'm the author of Understanding Exposure, Learning to See Creatively, and most recently, Understanding Color. I am thrilled to announce that I get to be part of this very deal that I'm explaining to you. It's offered by the folks over at 5daydeal.com. It launches in just a few days. In fact, on the 28th of September, you have an opportunity just for signing up, free, no charge involved, to get a $10,000 giveaway. That includes, among other things, a Macbook Pro, as well as a Canon 2-lens kit, a Canon Rebel kit, in fact. Should you not be the lucky one to win the over $10,000 in the free giveaway, there is still one thing you will get for free, and that is that every single entrant, again, it costs you nothing to enter, but every single entrant will receive, after the 22nd of October, the Skylum Software Suite. What is Skylum Software? It is a collection of software that's designed to give you the Adobe alternative, put together by none other than photographers like you and I. So again, let's get back to this 5-day deal that you really and truly cannot afford to pass up. Thousands upon thousands of dollars worth of photographic tips, advice, and equipment for pennies on the dollar. Pretty exciting. It's not just me that's involved. There's a host of many other photographers involved as well, including Peter Turnley, Nick Page, Ryan Dyer, Serge Romali, and on and on and on it goes. We're talking about people who are truly preeminent in what they do, photographically speaking, and you have an opportunity to benefit for, again, pennies on the dollar, for their knowledge and expertise. I really hope you get a chance to check this out, because you will be better behind the camera once you get all of this material in front of you. And that's really what this is all about. Helping you in your pursuit of photographic excellence. Myself, as well as many others, along with the great folks at 5daydeal.com. And what really makes this extra special? A great deal of the profits of this entire promotion, again, it'll last for 5 days, goes to charities, including the mercyships.org people, as well as Make-A-Wish Foundation, to name just 2 of the 5 different foundations that we will be contributing to. In fact, since 2014, when 5-Day Deal began, over $1.5 million has been given to charities. That's pretty cool. So not only do you get a chance to benefit from the photographic expertise of many of us, but also the little bit of money you'll be spending for the thousands of dollars worth of photographic advice, tips, tricks, and equipment. A percentage of that is going to go to the benefit of those charities that I described a moment ago. Hey, I hope you'll join me and many others over the 5 days when we launch on the 3rd of October. And over the course of those 5 days, you will, I promise, find many benefits to what's being offered at 5daydeal.com. Hey, until next time, you know me, I'm the You Keep Shooting guy, and this is Brian Peterson reminding all of you, you keep shooting.